Él es Lupe Fiasco y junto con Google han creado una herramienta potenciada por la inteligencia artificial para hacer rap y es mucho mejor de lo que me esperaba. Escucha su proceso creativo y así entenderás mejor cómo funciona la inteligencia artificial.
You're like expressway, and then it starts to just go through the machinery, parsing. How many syllables are in there? How much spin is on way? There's a lot of connotation with way. There's way, W-E-I-G-H, way, like curds and whey. So now you got this whole dairy thing that's happening. Way. We haven't even gotten to express. Expressway is a road. Then there's like expressing yourself. Espresso, express, like we exclude the newspaper. You got your ex, then it's like an ex-girlfriend, an ex da-da-da-da. And then it goes fling. And that's just me driving, right? Driving down the expressway.
Ahora mira la herramienta. Esto se llama TextFx y tiene hasta 9 herramientas más. La función explode para encontrar rimas.
Undo, explode with marauder. Mary water, yep, my raider, more rudder.
O fuse, que te permite encontrar la relación entre dos palabras, aún así sean biblioteca y pulpo.
Library and octopus can be seen as repositories of knowledge.
Y unexpected, lo inesperado.
Let me let unexpected kind of figure out what it needs to be. Glass of water is filled with a lot of goldfish.
Glass of water with a goldfish inside. Used to swimming in the river, this is a whole different vibe.
Ojo, no escribe la canción por ti, es una herramienta para escribir una canción. ¿Ustedes qué opinan? Los leo.